It's All You Can Vegas. Hey everybody, it's Derek and I'm at the Bellagio Conservatory. Now this is their springtime display. This is springtime 2019. This is the Osaka Castle. I believe this is the first time they've had this replica of the Osaka Castle here at the conservatory. I know that MGM is pushing hard to start opening a casino in Osaka, Japan. And so I guess this is their love letter to Japan. There's also cherry blossom trees. I don't know if these are real, I doubt it, because, you know, cherry blossoms, they're so ephemeral. That's why they're so treasured in Japan. So I guess these are fake ones. But I do know most of the gardens here, you know, is real plants. And maybe they are, I don't know. Maybe they work some Bellagio magic, but I don't know, they kind of look fake. I don't know though. That'd be terrible if they're real and I think they look fake. Well, either way, it's pretty beautiful to watch, to look at, and to enjoy. And here's another display of like the vases. I mean, these are some big vases, so I'm going to call them vases. And these, I'm pretty sure, are made of some kind of flowers as well. I mean, that is the theme of the Bellagio. It's kind of like the Rose Bowl parade with all the flowers on the floats. Everything here at the Bellagio Conservatory is made of flowers, more or less. I mean, not the fish, not the koi. Maybe they have the koi here for the Japan. Boy, they're going all out on Japan. I don't know, maybe the koi is always here. Don't quote me on that. There are like paper lanterns. And like birds in a cage. Caged birds. And speaking of birds, look at these birds. What are these? Are these cranes? These are huge. Can you see how huge these cranes are? I mean, look, here's people. Here's cranes. These are much larger than actual cranes. Can you imagine if cranes were this big? That would be so frightening. They're already pretty frightening, regular size, but these are gigantic cranes. It's almost turning into a house of horrors. With very peaceful spa-like music. Oh my god, the wing is moving. Lots of beautiful flowers here, that is for sure. And these are tulips. This even says Tulip Teletubby. I don't know what that might have to do with the TV show, but Tulip Teletubbies and a rock garden. That's so Japanese. Like a Zen garden with rocks. I wish I could go inside, but I'm, you know, walk on the rocks, but I'm pretty sure that's not permitted. I'd have to trample these flowers to do that. I don't know though, I can't really read that sign over there. I might have to walk through the flowers to see what it says. Maybe it just says cherry blossom tree. So if you've never been here to the Bellagio Conservatory, it's pretty stunning when it's a new display like this. You know, they recycle a lot of the stuff for the different seasons. This Chinese New Year, it always looks the same. Christmas kind of just looks like a winter wonderland of flowers. But this is something new. This is definitely something I've never seen before. Here's the back of Osaka Castle. And look, there's some kind of artwork down there. They always have some kind of artwork display in that corner. Let's go check it out. All right, I think this is some sort of Japanese character, perhaps. Maybe it says springtime. It's just a guess, but that would be cool if I was right. Definitely you can see there's flower petals that are pasted all over this and glued on in the most beautiful manner possible. And this whole place is pretty beautiful. That's no lie either. I've gotten a little jaded over the years of seeing this Bellagio Conservatory. It's every season, you know, but This is brand new, and to my eyes, it is pretty spectacular. Bonus, samurai on horseback.